Ground American 106 Heavy, Tango Alpha for taxi.
106 Heavy, Kenny Ground, next 4 left, taxi left, Bravo, hold short of Kilo.
Bravo, short of Kilo, American 106.
American 106 Heavy, cross runway 31 left at Kilo.
Cross 31 left, 106 Heavy.
Delta 1943, wind 35018, gust 24, runway 4 left, clear for takeoff.
Alright, clear for takeoff, runway 4 left, Delta 1943.
American 106 Heavy, American 106 Heavy, hold position. American 106 Heavy, hold position.
Delta 1943, cancel takeoff clearance. Delta 1943, cancel takeoff clearance.
Rejecting. Alright, then, the Delta 1943.
Yeah, Delta 1943, are you able to taxi or need a couple minutes to run checks?
Yeah, we can get up the runway, Delta 1943.
Delta 1943, turn left, Juliet, and just remain clear of runway 4 left.
Left on Juliet, and remain clear runway 4 left for Delta 1943.
Delta 1943, say intentions.
Yeah, we're going to have to go somewhere, run a couple of checklists, and probably make some phone call for Delta 1943.
Delta 1943, taxi right on Bravo, hold short of Hotel Bravo.
Right on Bravo, hold short of Hotel Bravo, Delta 1943.
Okay, I'm guessing you don't want to move, right?
Well, we got to make a couple phone calls here. My guess is we're going to go back to a gate.
Okay, I'm figuring that as well. All right.
American 106 Heavy.
106 Heavy, go ahead.
American 106 Heavy, possible pilot deviation. I have a number for you. Advise ready to copy.
Ready to copy. Go ahead, sir.
American 106 Heavy, stand by.
Tower American 106 Heavy.
American 106 Heavy.
The last clearance we were given, we were cleared to cross. Is that correct?
American 106 Heavy, we're departing runway 4 left. I guess we'll listen to the tapes, but you were supposed to depart runway 4 left. You're currently holding short of 31 left.
American 106 Heavy, I have a number for you. Let me know when you're ready to copy.
Ready to copy, sir.
American 106 Heavy, possible pilot deviation. Advise you contact Kennedy Tower at 718.
I think he was on
718.
American 106 Heavy, read back correct.